آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Alhamdulillah hamdan kathira sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam wa ba'd. Today our topic will be about inshallah about Mahmooz. What is Mahmooz? Okay, so and the types of Mahmooz. In previous videos we have covered alhamdulillah sahih wa misal wa mudhaf lafif wa naqis. By naqis alhamdulillah we have covered these all types of Haft Aqsam. So in this video we will learn that what is Mahmooz and what are the main kinds of Mahmooz. Okay, so let's go to the interactive board. Here Mahmooz. Okay, it's Mahmooz. Okay, here is the Mahmooz. So first of all, as you all know that we defined the dictionary meaning of a single word or a definition. So it help us to make our topic easy. So the dictionary meaning of Mahmooz is to bend on the west. Okay, like this. Okay, it will called be the Mahmooz in Arabic. Okay, so why it's called the Mahmooz? Bended on the west. When in kalima there comes the hamza, Fa, Ain or Lam kalima, so the kalima became the bended one. Okay, like this. Okay, so it's called Mahmooz. So here we will define directly the types of Mahmooz. Okay, or I will write the definition. Mahmooz
ما استحييت تعصيني وتخفي الذنب عن خلقي وبالعصيان تأتيني فكيف أجيب يا ويحي ومن ذا سوف يحميني أسأل النفس بالآمال من حين إلى حين وأنسى
in easy way. Mahmooz, in which word the letter hamza comes. Okay, either it's come on fa, on ain, or on lam kalima. So these all types will be the Mahmooz. Okay, so we have basically three types of Mahmooz. One is Mahmooz-ul-Fa, Mahmooz-ul-Fa. The second one is Mahmooz-ul-Ain. The third one is Mahmooz-ul-Lam. Okay, one is Mahmooz-ul-Fa, one is Mahmooz-ul-Ain, one is Mahmooz-ul-Lam. Okay, so the Mahmooz-ul-Fa mean when the hamza came on Fa kalima. The Mahmooz-ul-Ain mean when the hamza came on Ain kalima, amongst Ain kalima, and the Mahmooz-ul-Lam mean when the hamza comes amongst Lam kalima. Okay, so we will call to all these Mahmooz-ul-Fa, Mahmooz-ul-Ain and Mahmooz-ul-Lam. These are the basic three types of Mahmooz. Like Mahmooz-ul-Fa, the example of Mahmooz-ul-Fa is Asadun. Okay, the example of Mahmooz-ul-Ain is Sa'alun, and the example of Mahmooz-ul-Lam is Qara'un. Okay, Asadun, Sa'alun, Qara'un. Asada, Sa'ala, Qara'a. It does not matter. Either it comes on ism or in fi'l. Okay, it comes in both. Okay, these are 7 types of Haft Aqsam. It is not certain only with ism or with fi'l. Okay, these all comes on both, on fi'l and on ism. Okay, so asadun, sa'alun, qara, sa'ala, qara'a. So it does not matter. So it's enough for today. Inshallah, we'll meet you in next video. Jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum.